2026 GMC Acadia. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. You won't be able to pass up on these extra features. Cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, third row seating, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows. The open road is calling. Drive it home today.